Ready? Start. Provision for household industries in residential areas does not mean converting residential houses in the commercial shops. It only means permitting activities of household industry in a part of a residential property. Be that as it may, for the present, we are not considering the cases of small shops meant for day to day basic needs, but are considering large scale conversion of residential premises for commercial use. If in the master plan the land use is residential, MCD cannot sanction the plan for any purpose other than residential. We have seen the affidavits. We are sorry to note that the affidavits do not specifically deal with the points in issue. Only general averments have been made. They show that the parties concerned have not even touched the tip of the iceberg. Unauthorized encroachment and illegal construction, even as per the affidavits, are increasing at an alarming rate. The MCD is now directed file another affidavit informing this court as to why no requisite action has been taken for stopping the gross misuse of the residential buildings for commercial purposes and in the construction of commercial buildings in residential areas where only residential houses are permitted. This court cannot remain mute spectators. There has to be a will do it. The things cannot be permitted to go on in this manner forever. On one hand, various laws are enacted, master plans are prepared by expert planners. Provision is made in the plans also to tackle the problem of existing unauthorized constructions and misuses, and on the other hand, such illegal activities go on unabated openly under the gaze of everyone without having any respect and regard for law and other citizens. In the case of DDA, Rajinder Mittal, a division bench of this court, observed that the use of residential premises for widespread commercial activities is prohibited. Earlier, another bench of this court has echoed similar words. As regards municipal laws providing for power of demolition, it was observed that while interpreting municipal legislation framed in public interest, a strict constitutional approach must be adopted. In 1996, in the case of Anil Kumar Khurana versus MCD in respect of violent unauthorized constructions, it was observed that it cannot be said that the Commissioner MCD has a discretion to order demolition or not, and vesting of discretion in the circumstances would itself be arbitrary and illegal. In conclusion, it was stated that stop.